Want to help your iPad run faster? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to close out apps on your iPad. Now let's get started. To close out apps on your iPad, swipe up from the bottom of your iPad screen, stopping in the middle of the screen. This will show all the apps you currently have running in the background on your iPad. Now swipe up on each app you want to close out. When you're done, tap one of your apps that is still running to open it, or tap the space outside of the apps to go back to your home screen. That's all it takes to close out apps on iPad. This will help your iPad run faster and help your battery last longer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.